morning, Dwight. We have now reached the end of the week and are anticipating for the weekend to come. So let's make today count and make sure that we put all of ourselves into today. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Looking for a good book? The New York Public Library has over 300,000 titles digitized and ready for checkout. Follow the link below and see some of the amazing resources available from one of the greatest public libraries in the world. Stay tuned after the morning announcements for the lower school virtual assembly. Upper school, you are invited to join the lower school for a glimpse into our e-learning lives. The link to the lower school assembly is below. Lastly, we would like to acknowledge everybody, students and staff members, for their continuous hard work over the past few weeks of e-learning. It's tough, but we're getting through this together. Thank you. This was Dwight, Morning Announcements. Have a fantastic day.